This is about as simple as breakfast gets. I like a little Tex-Mex in the morning. You ain't ifty if you're with Clifty. Life is good when you put Clifty Farm in your arms. Who wants breakfast?
I don't know how it does it, but when you fry country ham, it can make your kitchen smell like a wet sheepdog.
You want to caramelize the ham.
The frittata originated in Italy.
Here comes about a dozen or so eggs for free. Eggs are inexpensive. Making a frittata is accessible to even the most inexperienced cook. It's not extremely difficult. Italians are lazy. One can get unexpected, excellent results without spending an egregious amount of time on its execution. To hell with the crust, just pour it right in. This is not exactly an exotic recipe, but it will exceed your expectations. Expect unexpected, exceptional goodness. Without much exertion, you can get something truly brunch extravagant. Add a little hot sauce if you'd like. Cheese it up! Hide broccoli with cheese. This one skillet dinner defeats the picky eater. So all aboard! The Extreme Flavor Express. For prolonged excitement and exhilaration, it can be left in the fridge for up to 7 days, and it starts to cause loose, violent excrement in those unlucky enough to eat it. Frittata, except no substitute.